Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. 2013 BMW, whether it's 13, 14, 7, 8, all the cars with the brake pad sensor. When you change your brakes and you finish done with the brake, we're gonna get some kind of message, especially when the brake is finished and the brake pad is gone, or timing issue. Okay, here we have the car. You have this message. You change the brake sensor already and you change everything, but it's still the message is there. Sometimes it's a timing issue. You know, the brake have to be replaced. Computer calculate timing. It will say, look, it is a time to replace the brake. So if you change it and you still have this one, there is some way of doing it by pushing those buttons. You come, and then you reset it. And sometimes you can use the tools. I have the tools, so I don't want to go through other platform. I want to see which one the easy one. So I'm gonna come here. I will go to diagnose. I will read the VIN first. This is auto detect. Accept the disclaimer. If you decline, you cannot go to the next. So we have the VIN number coming here. I will say okay. It will break down the VIN number. It's a 3 Series F30 328XI drive. That's the VIN number 2014-15. I say yes. Wow, the car was running. The car was running and suddenly shut off. Is that because of the diagnostic? I don't believe so. Yeah, you know, it turned the ignition off and turned it on by itself. That's very fun, very strange. I'm gonna turn the AC off and I will read all the information. Then we see what we need to do. In case you have a scanner, you change the brakes. I believe you have to go to service. Go to service. You already have the message brake pad system. Here you can go to where? Let me go to chassis suspensions. Let me go away from here. Go to hot functions. Here you're gonna go to brake bleeding. No, maintenance. I believe maintenance is better. Go to maintenance. Condition-based service. Reset. Condition-based service inclusive. Engine control. Condition-based service vehicle data correction. Let me see here what it say. Date, time are current, correct? I believe so. They call it condition-based service scope. Engine oil service count 8%, front brake 0.2, rear brake 0.2, fluid level. So front brake, you're gonna go by 1. Okay, reset supposed to be 100%. But maybe this car still have a problem. I put it 100%. Maybe those code, I'm not sure what it is. So now rear brake is 0%. That's where he bring it. My goodness, all this car have everything. All the stuff needs service. You see now the light of the brake light is disappear. I don't have it now. And the message BMW online. You see brake fluid. I see like vehicle inspection, exhaust emission inspection, vehicle brake fluid, Engine oil, let me say engine oil. You cannot just go that, I need a message. Reset it, he changed the oil already. So this is how you reset it. But there's another way of resetting it by using those buttons and go to in this area, and you can also correct it. Engine oil condition 100%. When this is finished, based on the timing or the mileage you put in the car, everything will go back to normal. You see now I have 200%, 100% brake fluid. Okay, no, this brake fluid. Let me reset the brake fluid. Brake fluid performance, read, like, okay, 100%. What is left? This one here. Reset. The vehicle check is linked to the engine oil. If vehicle check add an engine oil, okay. I just give you the idea. Please, it may help. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let our website grow. Yes, now 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. Everything is good. I will skip this one here. That message is gone. That message is gone. I don't want to go more than that. Filter service message. I don't need the service message. It's done already. Okay, this one is good. I don't have anything problems. I don't have any problem now.